In today's video, I'll show you how to create and set up a Telegram wallet. Let's get started. First, go to the Telegram wallet setup page. Tap the start button to begin. You'll see a message explaining that the Telegram wallet allows you to easily buy Bitcoin, Toncoin and USDT, and send them to friends for free. Tap the open wallet button. You'll be prompted to accept the terms of use. Check the box and press continue. Choose the wallet option and tap let's go. Your wallet will be created successfully. Tap the gear icon in the top left corner. Enable the Show Ton Space Beta toggle button. Return to the home page and tap Start Exploring. You can now explore Ton or add an existing wallet. On the next page, enter your recovery email. This will help you recover your wallet if needed. Tap Continue to save it. You'll receive a confirmation pop-up that your wallet has been successfully backed up. Your Ton wallet will now look like this. For extra security, tap the gear icon again. Select passcode and then tap Setup. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.